Okay, I'm gonna just make myself here. When you see this three triangle, oh no, wait, I just said three. When you look at these closely, I'd like you to ask yourself how many triangles you see. I said three just now. Do you see three? Now, the next question is, can you ask yourself what letters are those? Sorry. Right, so okay, now my question was again, let me repeat that again. What I wanted you to do is are you able to say out the letters, the alphabet letters? So yesterday, one thing I went back to reflect on was that when I asked you, what is the angle on the line that you see? All of you are shouting out, acute, acute, the type of angle. We are not able to name the angle correctly using the letters that's provided. Now, looking at this figure here, it's called a figure, is stated here as lines. A, B, D, and C, B, E as lines. Are you able to see the lines? The question says lines. I use my finger and I follow through the letters accordingly to see A, B, D, A, B, D, C, B, C, B, E. Then I just said there are three possible triangles that you see. In fact, possibly even more. Okay? How many say I only see two? How many say I see three? How many say I see four? How many say five? Six? Huh? Is it possible? Is it true? Because he say five, like he can see five. He say five? You see five? Akhilesh also see five. It's possible no? Doesn't make sense. Okay, let's see. Okay. Kaishan, can you name one triangle you see in this using the letters of the alphabet? A, A, B, E. Okay, everybody, can you follow A, B, E? Kaishan says she saw triangle A, B, E. Are you able to follow that? Okay, I see A, and then I see B, and I see E. Follow my finger, A, B, E. Okay, that's one triangle. Skylar, give me another one. A, B, E. Oh, okay. So Skylar says, instead of triangle A, B, E, you see triangle A, D, E. A, D, E. Can you follow that one? Put your finger to it. A, D, E. Can you see this triangle A, D, E that Skylar just mentioned? Okay. Who can give me another one? Come, Pranavika. C, D, E. Pranavika says triangle C, D, E. Instead of A, I go to C. C to D to E. Got three already. Were we able to see the tree? Anybody cannot see this tree? If you cannot see this tree, put your finger to it like what I'm doing. Okay, Xiang Chen just raised her hand. You saw something else? Hmm? Can you give me another triangle? Try. Other than this one that is already named. BDE. Okay, BDE. Xiang Chen said there's triangle BDE. B to D to E. Is it valid? Yes. Can you see BDE? Put your finger to it. What's one more? What's one more? Ah, C, B, D, or C, D, B? Is that 5? Are these the 5 you saw? Kershin, is this the 5 you saw? You did. You said that's true. Akhilesh, is this the 5 you saw? Yeah. Yes, Darren, you wanted to say something? There's only 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just wrote the 5 here. Let me put it closer. Is that okay? 5. No. Look, it here only mentioned 2 straight lines. Wow, the 2 straight lines can give you 5 triangles. So amazing. How come? How come Kershin can see 5? Because they are overlapping. So how to help yourself be able to pick out the overlapping? Number 1, use the highlighter. Number 2, really use your finger, trace every letter and see where it's going. Is that all right? Now, what is level 2 P6 geometry like? Level 2 P6 geometry is like the questions that follow. You have a shape. At the same time, you have lines. You'll be asked for shapes as well as lines. You'll be asked for angles inside the shape as well as angles outside the shape. Okay? And you can be asked for angles between the lines. So this today is homework. This today is homework. Go home and try to solve these 2 questions. Write it down now. Good. I see many of you taking out the handbook already. Are you going to write it into Weisheng's handbook? Then how? Where are you going to write down the homework? Okay. Done. Circle already. We go back to our worksheets. Ready? Now, so previously, I have been trying to share with you how I use different colors to do my work. And towards the back, I show you how I make use of the different space. Space for working, space for the equations, space for the properties writing. So you make sure you have space for how you are writing. Now, yesterday our homework was at page 157, question 2. Now, the homework was to try to solve this question. If you couldn't, at least write in the properties. May I know who wrote in the properties? Not sure. Who tried to solve? Okay. Who's confident that you probably did it? Right or right? Okay, very good. Now we hope to have more hands coming up. Okay? Confident you did it right or right. I didn't say right or wrong. You felt that you did it with effort. I put in my less effort to do this question. That is very good. Okay? Now, then we talk about whether it's right or wrong. That's the next step. Okay, so what properties can we see? Now you here already mentioned a square. So the properties will tell me is that if I look carefully, I will notice that E, F, G, H here, there are points on the corners of the square. And the lines that cut through these corners, what would it mean? The triangles that will be formed, what pattern will be there? The triangles will most likely be. Can you see the, like, how many triangles can you see? Like the same question as just now. You can see just now, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, 5 triangles, right? Now looking at this, what's the smallest number of triangles you can see? Right in front of you. I may say, I only see 1. Or more than that direction, quite certainly. I may say 2, I see 2 triangles. Okay, I see 3 triangles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Many, what the number becomes more and more because of the possibility of overlapping, right? That becomes very frustrating. So don't focus on that yet. Let's focus on what the things provided. The things provided now help us to focus. Using my highlighters, the first one that helps me to focus is this equal sign. It shows me that this shape here, these 2 parts of the side of the square are equal, meaning these 2 triangles inside PJO, and then the other one on the opposite side, JFO, they are probably identical. Same. Then here tells you it's 90 degrees. Now, because of this, it cuts so nicely, you will tell me that, hey, what do you think this one is? Also 90 degrees. What do you think this angle will be? -45 degrees, that's correct. Can you see why I'm using blue ink instead of black ink? Can see better. Now, if this is the right angle, what do you think is this angle here? Yes, 45 as well. Then, my dear friends, what about this part here? What do you think is the size? This is 90. This is 90. What do you think is also 90? Then you realize, my dear friends, angle DOJ only involves one step. 90 degrees plus 45 degrees, answer 135. Finish. One step. You get it right? Okay, draw a smiley face for yourself. Woohoo! Wait, one step only. Was it difficult? No, but how come it seems like it took me very long? Why? Yes, you really need to find and look. But once you are able to identify correctly, oh, the steps are easy. Right? Okay, move on. Let's go. Today we shall try to finish a few more pages. Shall I give you some time to try on your own first? Now, question 3 is a rectangle. Looks a little bit similar. Shall we? Let's give it a go. 2 minutes. Ready? Anybody still need to look at this? No, huh? Okay. Anyway, this is recorded. If you need, you can look at it, okay? 2 minutes on question 3. If you are ready, we will begin. Yes? Yes? Yes. 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 Oh, 10 seconds already. So fast. Done? Done? A little too fast? Too fast? Okay. Hey, Akhilesh, the KOJ, what do you think the property I use? Angle KOJ. What do you think is the property I use? Give it a chance. What property is that? 180 is what? 180 got a lot of things. 180 got triangle, got straight line. Huh? Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Okay, acceptable. Correct? Yes, Tanisha? Huh? Vertically opposite angle. Is yep, that's correct too. Okay, acceptable. Okay, next one. This one I think need a bit more time. 3 minutes, okay? I haven't yet. Okay. Go home and find out. Move on. Question 4. Okay, be kind. Okay, can be kind. Show you again. Oops, sorry. Yes. Sorry, which one? Sorry? For KOJ? What is it? 36 times 2 is 72, right? So 180 minus 72. I made a mistake. I made a mistake somewhere. Where? Eh? How come I got two different answers? I made a mistake somewhere? Yes, yes, huh? 180 minus 36 is 144. Oh yeah. So where's the mistake? I redo wrongly. Thank you. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yay! Thank you. I got smarter children than me. Who was copying my wrong answer? Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm gonna go around what? What's that? Flexing this. You know my students are trying my mistake. Oh yeah. Okay, so proud of you. I'm super happy. I should go and edit this into a video and share it with other people. Yeah, because yesterday I was busy trying to spot students' mistakes with another teacher. Now, I just happened to say, hey, yeah, well, how I wish one day my students have spot my mistake. And you did! Oh, so happy. You just made my day. I shall make another mistake later purposely. Hey, done reading this question? Ready? Okay, then we go through already, huh? Huh? You still on the top? Come on, guys. Okay, ready? Next one, huh? A bit slow. We need to do one question already. We need to finish this set today. How many questions more have we got for this set? Huh? One more question and then done already. Okay, then can we try to start level 2 one question? Can't wait for level 2. Level 2 is quite thick. Okay, ready? Angle 2 ready? Okay. So we have PQRS being a parallelogram. So I highlight my parallelogram sides first. Yeah. Okay. Then I have my angles. Okay. Even then find this name angle here. OPQ and SPO. Oh, looks very challenging. Which one do you think I can find first? Huh? OPQ, really? Using which property? 180 on straight line. To find OPQ, good point. Not quite enough. Probably use 180, but it won't be the straight line one. It'll be a triangle. Yes. So it's okay. First thing, of course, you need to make sense of this 60 degrees. Is the 60 degrees OSP or RSP? RSP. Now, so it's RSP. My first property that I will use actually is opposite angles are equal. That's the first property I will use because it will tell me this opposite angle that is opposite of it is also 60 degrees. So I can find this angle here, which is called angle OQP. Okay? This angle OQP will be the opposite angle 60 degrees minus 35 degrees. Yes. OQP, I know. Never reached there yet. Because I have this is 60 degrees. Okay, I color this for you to see. Here, this one, this is 60 degrees. Okay, this is 60 degrees. The opposite is also 60 degrees. So I color this purple, purple. This one is 25 degrees. Then you are right. I used 180 degrees to find OPQ. But it's the one that's the triangle one. I will use 180 degrees minus the 110 minus the 25 to find here. Okay, here this one. AOPQ. I use the triangle property to do that. 180 minus 110 is 70. 10 minus 25. After that, then I can find the last one here. So this one is triangle property. Sum of angles is 180. Then the last one that I use is also 180, but it's sum of angles between parallel lines. To find the last angle, here. Okay? By using the parts here that I found. There's angle SCO will be 180 degrees minus the 60 degrees minus the answer here. Is that the last question? Okay? But don't be angry with yourself. You need to decide. Can I give the new side? Yeah. Yeah. Because this one and this one add up to 180 degrees. So I minus one. To find this blue part, I must minus the yellow. And the yellow is I just found on top here, right? There are three parts that make up the 180. Okay? Or not? Can I give a new strategy? We just do one question. Last one. And you have your homework with me, right? Your homework. All of these things. Tomorrow I want to go. Okay? Sorry? Can you check if you have completed every question? Anybody want to see the question on top here? Okay. May I know everybody is ready to read? Wait. May I know everybody is ready to turn in this set? Everything is very neat, very tight. I do correction finish already. I'm so confident. Okay, come give me. Okay, everything done, huh? Correction also finished, huh? Let's start the first question, go. Question number 1, level 2. Last question for the day. May I ask what's the question for today again? The homework for today? Very good. Thank you. I'll give you a clue first. It's a level 2 question. So do you think it's possibly one step? No. So the clue here for these questions here, to find A, you need at least 2 steps. To find B, you also at least need 2 steps. Thank you. Please, sorry. Okay? Okay, please. Yeah. And there are some sectors that you are weaker and some sectors that are strong. So please, that's the good thing about PSLE. All teachers are excellent. Right? So you won't lose out. If the test paper has everything about geometry, then maybe right? You spread. Right? But it's testing everything. So in the whole exam paper, geometry question may not be many. So don't be too stressed. You can find other papers if it's difficult. Okay? Okay, time's up. To make sure that we have enough time for PE lesson, right? After this, right? Let's go through this question and call it a day. Homework is the textbook. Is it a lot? No, can do? Tomorrow you expect a bit more homework, okay? Okay, let's go. So we said there are more steps involved. Definitely so, because it looks more complicated now with overlapping shapes. Okay, and then it's a parallelogram. So I will definitely immediately go with highlighting the parallel sides. So laggy. And see? Okay, parallelogram. ECD isosceles. Shows me immediately I can label this as 40 degrees. So as a result, I will go immediately to find this angle here. To find B first. I think that's easy for me. Because to me, I think I see that is easier. So I go with B first. By looking for angle CED. So angle B do you get it right? Yay! Good job. Yes. Right. Next. Then I can find this angle. Oh, actually quite easy already. Why? Because I the pink color 11. This means that this corner and this corner is up to 180. So actually A is easy also. A will be 180 minus 40 minus 40 minus 35. These two corners is between the pink color lines. So it's the sum of angles between parallel sides. The parallel side we're talking about is the pink color line. So A and 40 and 40 and 35 add up to 180. So I get 100 minus 35. Sixty-five degrees. That's right. Yay! Easier. Very good. That means I'm ready for 46. Confident? Feel better? Now, tomorrow we will be tackling a few more questions. Tomorrow you must finish at least until page 162. Then we can finish. Okay? If you like extra homework, then you can finish just this page 159. Okay? Hold on. Finish my statement first. Is that okay? So your homework is 2 textbook questions, and if you like this page. Is that okay? Alright, okay, then get ready for your free lesson. Yes, hold on. Hold on.